Hello mga basketball! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Heto naman po, si Basketballerong Bano at your service. Alright, so today po, we're going to do unboxing again. Alright? So I'm not really a fan of Kevin Durant. And of course, LeBron James. Kahit sinong magalit. Because I saw their video, yung may, I think they have a podcast. They don't have any respect to Michael Jordan and they bad-mouthed Michael Jordan and his basketball era. That's not good. So disrespectful. Right? Anyway, I decided to have this pair of shoe. I don't even know kung ikailang basketball shoe na to ni Kevin Durant. But I just love the appearance of this basketball shoe. Right? So, that's why I'm going to share to you mga basketball. Let's do it! Here we go mga basketball! Siguro naman po, magugustuhan nyo rin ng basketball shoe na to. So, nagandan lang po ako. I know this is no longer appropriate of my age or in my age, but I just love the color, you know? Napakaganda. See? Kumontra na kayo, but I really love this shoe. Okay? Again, I'm not a fan of Kevin Durant, but shoot, I love this shoe. Right? So kaya po, bumili rin ako. So and I'm going to wear it in playing basketball. So let's see kung maganda po. Okay? Ito mga basketball. May kanan at may pangkaliwa po ako. Oh, see? Ibang ganda ng kulay niya. Oh. So, siguradong even I can wear this during summer also, right? So, kasi po ang ganda talaga. So, look at the details mga basketball. For me, this is an artwork, right? Yung ulo ni KD. Tapos dyan, may permo pa ni KD, right? Let's see the performance of this basketball shoe. I'm going to use this in playing basketball. So, mayroon naman po kami, balik na po kami sa basketball kasi nagsimula na rin yung school dito. So, maybe this evening, meron po kami. Okay? So, mga basketball, kung ayaw nyo po nitong basketball shoe na to, you can comment. Anyway, I'm not a Kevin Durant fan. I just love the shoe, the colorway. So, that's why nag-decide po akong kumuha rin ng pair ko. Alright. Thank you very much for listening and watching mga basketball. Basketballerong Bano at your service. And see you whenever.